Good morning, everybody. This is Casper from the Tropical Weather Threat Society bringing you a special update regarding the Atlantic Basin. Though I will say this. We're doing this special update this morning because we gave our word that we would last night. We are not going to do another special update tonight. We will be doing our normal live schedule here at 6 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Central. As usual, that's not going to change, but we're not going to do our early morning or late night lives any longer because of the reduction of the overall threat that we were looking at here just a couple days ago from Invest 94L, then potential tropical cyclone 9, now tropical depression 9, and soon to be tropical storm Imelda. Humberto is still doing monstrous things out here. We've got a little area of low pressure out here into the Gulf, out here into the Central Gulf. It is not anticipated to become anything tropical, although a couple of the ensemble members are showing maybe an area of low pressure developing out here. But as you could see, there is a little bit of rotation already out here, but it is lacking any type of thunderstorm activity. So nothing is really anticipated and or expected with this area. You may hear something about that because I've seen a couple spots across social media, wondering and asking questions regarding this. I didn't jump in. I'm just going to address it here on our live. That this area, it does exist, and there has been a little bit of model support, couple little weak circles here and there, but overall there's so much dry air out here that you're not really going to spin up anything tropical at all, plus the shear and everything else. So it is a very quite a hostile environment, but and nonetheless, with the water temperatures being out there, we'll keep an eye on it, but I'm not really too overly concerned with it in the slightest. All right, let's go ahead and jump into our update for Tropical Depression 9 and our resident monster out there in the open waters of the Atlantic. So, taking a quick look here at the satellite view, we can see that we've definitely got the center of circulation somewhere in here. You'll see these low-level clouds running in like this. You've got another set of low-level clouds running in like this. And then if you look just between the gaps in the clouds, you've got a little bit of rotation this way, and then you've also got some rotation there. So somewhere in the vicinity here, southwest or southeast of Andros Island, at least on visible satellite, we can kind of make a determination of exactly where the center of circulation is. But we just had an advisory issued approximately 1 hour ago. Though, as of the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time advisory, we're located at 23.5 north, 77.3 west, about 300 miles northwest of the eastern tip of Cuba, about 95 miles west of the central Bahamas. Maximum sustained winds remain at 35 miles an hour, and it is currently moving north at 7 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure down to 1,002 millibars. We still have a tropical storm warning in effect for the central and northwestern Bahamas and all of the other surrounding little islands in there. And we also have, still continue to have a tropical storm watch for the east coast of Florida from Palm Beach, Martin County line to the Flagler, Volusia County line. As far as our hazards affecting land, our wind risks there for the Bahamas, that's obvious. You're under a tropical storm warning. Our rainfall, this is where things get a little interesting because may not have significant rainfall for the southeast United States anymore, but our friends out there in the Bahamas are getting absolutely pounded by numerous showers and thunderstorms. Tropical Depression 9 is expected to produce additional rainfall of 2 to 6 inches across eastern Cuba and 6 to 12 inches across the northwest Bahamas through Tuesday. This rainfall will likely produce flash and urban flooding. Mudslides are also possible in areas of higher terrain across Cuba. Some some storm total rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches with local maxima of 7 inches are expected into Wednesday morning across portions of the coastal Carolinas. This rainfall could result in flash urban and isolated minor river flooding. Changes in the forecast track could result in further adjustments to these rainfall totals. Our storm surge risk 1 to 3 feet above ground level in areas of onshore winds for the northwestern Bahamas. And now we do have minor coastal flooding is possible in areas of onshore winds over the southeastern U.S. coastline. The water could reach the following heights above ground somewhere in the indicated areas if the surge occurs over the next several high tide cycles. For the Volusia Brevard County line, Florida, to the South Santee River of South Carolina, potentially 1 to 2 feet of water rise at the time of high tide cycles. Our surf, stay out of the water. It's just that simple. If you're from about Cape Hatteras southward, just don't get in the water. No, absolutely not. Taking a look at our most recent forecast cone, the shift to the south and east trend has continued. It has continued so much so that now in